The first Asian Games were held in 1951 at New Delhi, India. The chemical name of vitamin B is thiamine. The first Indian actress to have been nominated to the Rajya Sabha was Nargis Dutt. The first NAM Non-Aligned Movement conference was held at Belgrade, Yugoslavia. The first recipient of Bharat Ratna Award in 1954 was C. Rajagopalachari. The credit of developing the polio vaccine goes to Jones Salk. The headquarters of Escape Economic and Social Commission for Asia are situated at Bangkok. The Industrial Organization of Atomic Minerals Division, Heavy Water Board, is located at Mumbai. The Indian Air Force celebrated its Golden Jubilee in (1982). The headquarters of OAU, Organization of African Unity, are at Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. The headquarters of International Atomic Energy Agency are situated at Vienna. The main crop of Meghalaya is rice. The major minerals found in Uttar Pradesh are limestone and dolomite. The member of SEATO, Southeast Asian Treaty Organization, are all of the above. The highest national award in India given for exceptional work for advancement of art, literature and science is Bharat Ratna.